2020 KLX 110L. Swapping the front tire because we popped it doing wheelies. Yep. First things first, get this front tire off. I don't think it has a cotter pin. It does have a cotter pin. How handy dandy. Pot. All the bolts in the pot. I think that's a 14. Get that out of there. Get that loose. Soap. Should use Dawn dish soap, but I don't have Dawn dish soap, so this is going to be the best I can do right now. Not easy to do. So, yeah, I'm going to burn through these, and then we have a pit bike race later in the year, and in the pit bike race we'll put nicer tires on there, some Tusk. I'll say nicer, but cool. Yeah, front, back. The back is a little more aggressive than the one I have on there right now. We'll see how it goes. Put this one on later. I don't want to put this one on yet because I'm planning on doing more wheelie stuff. So for now, just this one. I'm going to take a little Dawn dish soap on the inside of the tire. We made the mistake of not checking which tire went to which tube first. For whatever reason, when they were packaged, the wrong tube was with the wrong tire. I'm going to put a little more soap the inside of this. This is just 10 seconds of what was a 10-minute ordeal on how to get this tire on, but there's a ton of better YouTube videos on how to actually put the tire on if you're trying to do it. Cool. Super easy. Take that back on there. Make sure that the spacers are aligned. On the front brake. And then cotter pin. Cotter pin goes in. Same way it came out. And I'm not going to do any ugga-duggas on it just because I am lazy. So hopefully we didn't pinch it somewhere when we were putting this on, because if we did, that would really suck. So we'll call 18 psi minus 1, 2, so 16 psi. Ooh, choke on, headline on, working tire in the front. I think that's a success.